How you doing, YouTube? Policing Pips here, and I just want to do a quick breakdown on what I had going on today. It is only 8:44 a.m. currently, and I'm already done with my trading on TopStep today. I've been having some computer issues, so I've been trying to live stream. It didn't work out. So tomorrow I should be back live. I think I know what the issue is, but let's run down this trade real quick, and then I'll show you what maybe is in store for tomorrow. All right, so I made my one trade here on the NASDAQ. On the open, you can see that it dipped all the way down here to this structural level, pretty solid, pushed down. But at the same time this was pushing down, this ES future was pushing up, right? And it was pushing up pretty hard. If I could pull up my Thinkorswim here real quick, I didn't take it on here because my buying power got a little messed up, and I was only able to trade on one of these accounts at a time for some reason, but I'm going to pull this up for my levels. So you can see that the ES pushed up to the overnight high on the open, or just approaching it on the open. The NASDAQ, I'll show you what I was looking at. NASDAQ over here. It pushed down hard, right? All the way down to the overnight low, cleared out a lot of that inventory. You can see solid structure here, good touch. That divergence to me was huge. I think there was a little bit of optimism. I just played that divergence strategy and the structure here being at that overnight low. I wanted to take that reversal, and I did. I took the entry down here, like you saw on TopStep, and I ran it right up to that previous day close. Ended up getting stopped out at 1508. But you can see levels here are respected. My strategy isn't anything special, and there are no perfect strategies, but I have a lot of consistency taking that divergence from level to level and just letting them play out. This could easily clear all the way out to the overnight high. I hit my profit target for the day. I have rules. I'm not going to look to chase, right? So that's another part of your strategy. You'll learn to keep adapting. I'm still adapting, but for me, if I hit a profit target within the first 10 minutes of the day, there's no reason to overtrade the rest of the day and give back all those profits. Tomorrow, I will be live streaming, even if I can't fix this monitor and the issues that it's having. I'll make it work. So look out tomorrow morning, 8:15 Central, 9:15 Eastern Time, and I hope to see you there. Until next time, peace out.